Okay, so let's go over a few things here, how to clean the hearing aids, take off the ear domes, and replace the wax guards. So we'll take out the hearing aids. So as far as taking off the domes, it's really simple. We can just pull it on out. We can easily brush the ear domes as well as the hearing aid right here, in case there's any buildup right there. We have our little metal tool as well. You can grab any pieces. And of course the wax guard. So go ahead and pull one on out. So we can see that the wax guard right here, there's two sides to this. This is where we'll attach the one that's on the hearing aid right now. And then there's the replacement. So it's recommended to replace these every 2 to 3 months. Okay, so to replace, we'll go ahead and put the tool into the wax guard, push it on in. We'll hear it snap and feel it snap. Go and pull on out, just like that. So you can see on the right side here, that's where the old one was. And then we'll go ahead and just push on in, hear it snap again, pull on out, and then it's replaced. Simple as that. Then we just put the dome back on. And there you are good to go. And then we can just discard this. And now your device will be protected from any earwax, and it'll be nice and clean.